Hello class, and in this lecture 2 we are going to discuss about the electrical units like electrical work, power and energy, along with their mathematical expression, their definition and SI units. So first, initially, the electrical work. The electrical work in an electric circuit, the movement of electron, that is the transfer of charge at any point in an electric current or in an electric circuit, the electric work is done when there is a transfer of charge. And the unit for electric work is joule. If you say 1 joule of electric work should be done, is that work in moving a charge of 1 coulomb through a potential difference of 1 volt. So if V is the potential difference, we know the unit of potential difference, we measure the potential difference in voltage. So V is the potential difference in volt and Q is the charge in coulomb. Then we can write a formula for the electrical work which expressed by a letter W, capital W, which is equals to V into Q with unit joule. But we know the relation between current and charges. We express that current I is equal to Q by T. So we can write, instead of Q, Q is equal to I into T. So electrical work W expression becomes now W is equal to V into I into T with unit joule, where T stands for the time in seconds. I repeat myself, the electrical work. What mean by the electrical work? Roughly, work is an ability to do work. Okay, it need energy. Okay, so in an if you're talking about the electric circuit, then there must be a movement of electron which we called current. Okay, so the transfer of charge in an electric current, the work is done. When we say a work is done, that itself means there is a transfer of charge, and this transfer of charge is measured with electrical quantity called electric work, which is expressed with letter W and having unit joule. So mathematically, electric work is nothing but voltage into charges, but current gives the relation that charges is equal to I into T, that is current into time. So W is equal to V into I into T and having unit joules. Okay. Now next term is electrical power. When we think about the power, it means the rate at which electric work is done in an electric circuit is called electrical power. The power is due to voltage and current as well as. Both are giving the contribution in electrical power. Electrical power is expressed with letter capital P, and the formula for it is equal to P is equal to electric work by time T. The electric work is expressed with letter W. So P is equal to W by T. Again we know or we seen that electric work mathematically express V into I into T, and the electrical power P is which is equals to V into I into T upon T. T get cancelled. So P which is equals to V into I joules per second, that is watts. The power consumed in electric circuit is 1 watt if the potential difference of 1 volt is applied across a circuit which causes 1 ampere current to flow through it. And a point to be remembered over here, 1 watt which is equals to 1 joule per second. So I rememberize you electrical power having unit watt. Okay, and 1 watt, keep in mind 1 watt which is equals to 1 joule per second, and P which is equals to V into I joule per second. Okay, we know as the unit of power watt is small, so many of the time we expressed as a unit with kilowatt, kilo 1000 watt, or megawatt, megawatt 1 into 10 to the power 6 watts. And according to Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. So we can express I is equal to V by R. Okay. Now by using this relation between V and I, we can express the power P, which is equals to V into I. Again, with help of V is equal to I into I, R relation, I into R relation, P also becomes I square R. I into I square into R. Okay. And also express P, which is equals to V square by R, where R is the resistance which measured in ohm. Okay. Ohm's law we will discuss in next lecture. Now the third and most important property, the electrical parameter is electrical energy. And electrical energy is the total amount of electrical work done in an electric circuit. मीन्स जैसे कि हम बोल सकते हैं कि आज सर्किट में पावर क्या फ्लो हो रहा है, तो पावर इज नथिंग बट हाउ मच क्वांटिटी ऑफ वोल्टेज एंड voltage required to flow a current. So the product of voltage and current ultimately gives us the power. And if we say the electric work is done over there in an electric circuit, if the Q charges are flow for time t, and we can mathematically get it by W is equal to V into I into t. So the voltage into current into time required to flow the charge. Okay. Now on the same line, electric energy, concept of electric energy. Electric energy is defined as the product of power and time. Okay. So therefore energy is denoted by letter E, which is equals to power into time, and we know that power P is which is equals to V into I. Okay. So the energy becomes E is equal to V into I into T joules. The unit of energy is joules or watt seconds. The energy consumed by electric circuit is said to be 1 joule or 1 watt second when it utilizes a power of 1 watt for 1 second. Okay. As the watt second unit is very small, and even generally in the electrical energy which is measured for the bigger units as watt hour WH or kilowatt hour. So we must know the relation 1 watt which is equals to 1 watt into 1 hour, 1 watt into 1 hour, that means 1 watt into 3600 seconds, which is equals to 3600 watt second, that is joule. We can while we are solving the numerical based on the calculation of energy power and energy power or the work done against in an electric circuit, we need this relation 1 watt hour which is equals to 3600 watt seconds, or 1 kilowatt hour which is equal to 1000 watt hour, which is equals to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joules. 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joules. How it come? 1 into 10 to the power 3 into 3600 from above line. So it becomes the power goes on increasing as number of zeros goes on increasing. So 3.6 into 10 to the power plus 6 joules. When a power of 1 kilowatt is utilized for 1 hour, the energy consumed is said to be 1 kilowatt. This unit is called broad unit of trade unit. Okay. In the next lecture we will see the Ohm's law. Thank you.